Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you this natural hairspray for hair growth. By incorporating this natural hairspray for hair growth into your hair care routine, you're saying goodbye to scalp infection, dandruff, and you're saying hello to healthy scalp, thicker hair, and longer hair. And as you can see on your screen, I have two herbs and I thought to share with you guys the difference between each of the herbs because you guys always mistake each one to be the other one. So what you see here is thyme and the second one is rosemary leaf. Oftentimes people mistake rosemary leaf to be thyme. I want you to take a closer look of your screen. Rosemary is longer while thyme is shorter. So take a screenshot of this. Next time you're going to get your rosemary leaf, you know what you are getting. What we have on the what we have on the right is thyme and what we have on the left is rosemary leaf. So now that you have seen the difference between the two herbs, rosemary and thyme, I am going to be using thyme to make natural hairspray for hair growth. If you don't have time at this point, you can go ahead and use your rosemary leaf and just make this hairspray that is going to be very, very beneficial for your hair. Now, like I said earlier, we are just going to be using one of the herbs, which I am using thyme. If you have rosemary, use rosemary. And of course, the second thing is hot water. You need hot water, and of course, you need spray bottle for your application. So you can go ahead to boil this, but personally, I will advise you infuse this for some hours because infusing it is going to retain all the nutrients instead of boiling it. So I'm just going to let this infuse overnight.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a road. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Now the application is really simple. I'm just simply spraying the hairspray onto my hair, focusing on the roots and my scalp. This is going to promote blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. So I'm just going to massage and massage, and then I'm also going to seal in moisture by using my hair growth oil. This is very important as you don't want your hair to be dry afterwards. You always have to seal in moisture. You can decide to use hair butter, but make sure you seal in moisture. I'm just going to repeat this application method for the rest of the hair.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a road. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
By using this hairspray, you're stimulating blood flow to the scalp, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth and strengthen your hair follicles. And thyme also contains antifungal properties which help to prevent scalp infection and dandruff. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I will be happy to know that you try out this recipe. So kindly leave it in the comment section, any question you have and whatever results you got after using this hairspray, and I'll be very happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and of course subscribe to the channel if you're watching without subscribing. Bye guys.